Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweet Peas. I am personally already in the summery mood, so I thought watermelon sounded really good, and these polishes kind of just screamed watermelon whenever you put them next to each other. So I'm using the polishes that I featured in yesterday's swatch video to create some really cute watermelon nail art. So let's get into how to do this. So the colors that I'm using today are this gorgeous pink called Fitalicious. This is from Define Inspires Vita Fit collection. And then the next one I am using is the green, also from yesterday's video, and this one is called Can't Stop, Won't Stop. To start off this design, of course, you want to start with your favorite base coat, and then you're going to let that dry, and then you're going to apply a light green shade. As mentioned earlier, I'm using the shade called Can't Stop, Won't Stop, but any light green will do for this. After your green is all dried and you are up to full coverage, it is time to go in with the pink shade that you are using. In my case, I'm using one called Fitalicious. And I'm going and kind of just leaving what you're going to have as your watermelon rind at the top of your nail. So you don't want to go all the way up to your cuticle line. You just want to go a little bit below so you have a little gap of the green showing through there. And then you're just going to go over to the edge. You can go all the way over if you want, but if you also would like to leave a little stripe of green, which I do find a little bit easier, you can totally do that. After that is up to full coverage and it is all dry, you can then move in with some acrylic paint and a darker shade of green. In this case, I use like a grass green because of my green base being a bit more like a pastel neon. And I am then putting in some rind lines. Now that my rind lines are done, I'm going to go in and put in 3 seeds. So I'm starting with the middle one, and this one is going to be the biggest seed of all. And I want it kind of like a teardrop or a raindrop, but the drop part is at the top of my nail and it gets skinnier towards the bottom. Then I'm going to redo that just in a smaller size on each side of the main one, and then you will have 3 seeds. After that, as you can see, I've done that on all of my nails now. It is time to apply your favorite top coat and you are good to go. Of course, you could have done this with a matte top coat, but I went with the shiny because I feel like that just really completed the look and I really just enjoyed the shiny finish on this design. It was so much easier than I had originally thought when I sat down to do that, so I'm really excited about that and I think anybody can do that. So I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing this video. I'm really excited to get back more into these happy colored designs because they are always personally my favorites. And when I look back on everything I do, these are always the ones that stand out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you decide to recreate them, be sure to post them on Instagram and use hashtag #SweetPeaInspired and tag me, and I can't wait to see them and share them in my story. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys back here very soon with another new video. Bye!